Hi, I'm Anish Tawakle. I am a fund manager and head of research at ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company. We gathered here today because we are going to be launching this India Opportunities Fund. This is a fund that falls in the special situations category. Special situations funds ऐसे होते हैं जो कंपनीज जिनमें प्रॉब्लम चल रही है कुछ, वो प्रॉब्लम के टाइम में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, राइट. द प्रॉब्लम कैन बी फॉर एनी रीज़न, या तो कुछ उसमें मैनेजमेंट चेंज हुआ है, या प्रॉब्लम कुड बी के फैक्ट्री में स्ट्राइक हो गई है, या प्रॉब्लम कुड बी के कुछ इन्वायरमेंटल इश्यूज हो गए हैं जिस वजह से वो प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पा रही, या रॉ मटेरियल की सप्लाईज में प्रॉब्लम है. सो वी इन्वेस्ट, दीज आर कॉल्ड स्पेशल सिचुएशंस. ये कुछ यूनिक परिस्थिति है. तो उस टाइम पे क्या देखा जाता है कि स्टॉक्स का प्राइस बहुत गिर जाता है, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर वेरी स्केयर्ड एंड दे लीव, they flee, they abandon the stock at that time. This fund will invest in those kind of companies and will hold those companies. What we find is that over time that they give good returns because the problems temporary रहती हैं.
What is the other technical term for this? Is it hedge funds or?
नहीं, the hedge funds are completely different.
Completely different.
This is a special situation.
The new special situation has been launched by ICICI itself, or are there other banks also, availing this kind of facility?
To be honest, I don't know whether other banks have this fund, but this is not a very big category in India.
Okay.
Right? So it is a very well-established category globally, but it is not a big category in India.
So we can name it as a bailout somehow, because like they're sinking and somehow you're just funding them up.
No. It's not really a bailout. I would not call it a bailout. It's typically these companies are actually inherently strong, right? But the problems are temporary.
Okay, the
right?
temporary situations, then the crisis you can say.
Exactly.
The crisis
exactly.
you'll overcome with the funds you'll provide at the minimal costing.
So the price valuation is very attractive because everybody is abandoning those companies at that time.
So what's the criteria actually? Is it like somehow like smaller scale to the larger scale criterion, or is it like you categorize them that how much funds they need?
So the criteria is that we should feel that the problems are temporary.
All right.
Right.
You felt it like. So the second thing, the kind of return he'll have to pay you back also.
Yeah. So then once the problem eases, the stock price goes up because the investors come back into the company. Right. Then
so
people start liking it again.
So it is a risk-free situation.
So I wouldn't call it risk-free. Look, because the problem may last longer than you might think, right? Or if it is a regulatory issue, it might take a long time, very long time to resolve. So I wouldn't call it risk-free, but the way you handle the risk is by having multiple companies.
Okay.
So when you in a fund, when you have a diversification, that helps you manage the risk. Not all the companies will come out well, but most of them, expectation is that a lot of them
so
will.
With the provision of funds, because like your funds are also involved, so you will not take risk also involved, and certainly your shares of the buyers also. Would you also give consultancy to the crisis for the crisis management maybe?
No, we are not an activist investor in that sense. No.
Not you, but actually your the other buyers are.
So look, typically when the company is going through problems, they are taking advice from all kinds of people. But our job is not to try to become advisors in that sense. Right? I mean, it's not like we feel that we have a unique solution to their problems and therefore we are buying it.
Right.
Right.
Right. But you'll have a custom plan for them.
No, we would expect that they can solve the problems.
They can solve their problems.
We would expect
ASAP.
Sooner rather than later.
Yeah. So any tip for your viewers, like you want to tell as an expert?
So we would say that, look, investors, this category is a good category for long-term investors. I would also say that over the longer term, if you invest in this, we expect that you should make healthy returns. But this is not a category where you should get in and expecting returns in the next 1 month, 2 months, right? It takes time and you should be prepared that for short periods of time, the fund can underperform, but over the long term, it will deliver good returns. I would advise investors to come in with their eyes open to that.
Where shall they be catching more features and they read the
so the documents are on our website and they are also widely available through advisors and.
They can visit the banks also.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, the office is also. Thank you.